This is my Fairfax SCPD7. This is one of the later model Fairfaxes. And what I didn't know is that the Fairfaxes are actually still being made, and the model that they make now is very similar to this model. This Fairfax has actually a plastic handle as opposed to the metal handle. When I bought this Fairfax, it did not come with power nozzle, so I was looking out to find a Fairfax power nozzle similar to the one that originally would have come with this Fairfax, and this is actually a Wesselwerk power nozzle, but made for Fairfax. This model is called A Touch of Class, and the A Touch of Class model is still being made. However, this particular Fairfax would not have come with the metal wands. It would have come with the plastic wands, but the power head itself is identical to the one that originally would have come with this. Overall, it's a really nice vacuum. It has really good suction power. The power head isn't really that spectacular, but that's okay. It maintains its suction quite well as well. What I did was I actually made a minor modification. I have a Kenmore HEPA bag inside the container, which actually causes it to filter a lot better, and then also a bare suction because it breathes and expands far better than paper bags. Then there are two filters here. There's this filter, and then there's a white filter that sits above this filter, and then technically there's supposed to be a filter, final filter here too, but when I got it, it was missing. It's not a big deal though, because the HEPA bag makes it filter better automatically, so it really doesn't need that extra filtration with the post-motor filter. So I will run it so you guys can see how it works. It's rather loud, but that's probably because I don't have the post-motor filter to quiet down the motor. The power nozzle does have a geared belt, which is nice, which means that the belt doesn't break. But it's still a rather unextraordinary power nozzle. So that's my Fairfax. Overall, it's a nice, very nice vacuum cleaner.